Okay, this is the Ryobi brushless P262 mid torque impact trench, and it says up to 600 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, motor performance, brushless, more power, longer runtime, longer motor life compared to the P261. And I made a bunch of P261 videos. Technology, 4-mode speed control, tri-beam LED, and a 3-year warranty. This is the tool only. P262. One World Technologies, made in China. $18-volt. Let's open this up. Here is the manual, operator's manual. The mode selector, RPM. I remember when Ryobi fan angrily commented on one of my videos that the low speed was the most torque. And I had to tell him it's not a drill. Here's the tool already. I can tell you what the big difference is. Look at these LEDs. They're not the old style. Should be bright. This is just a protective cover. It goes over the anvil so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. Here it is. 1+ HP brushless. has a hog ring. Check out those LEDs. No more mode selector on top. It's located at the bottom. Okay, this is what I think. This is 2 amp hour. It doesn't matter. We're just turning it on. Unreal tip, you know, just it's not bright enough. Very Milwaukee style, dimly lit, 3 LEDs, and they're probably as bright as one DeWalt. There's the mode selector. Very compact, really lightweight, like no issue holding this. Strange. So, you know what? I think it was just the last rigid video. Someone's gonna have to remind me. I was talking about the rigid having, you know, a very on-off trigger, like you press it halfway and nothing is going on, and then all of a sudden just spins up real quick. So if you look at this speed 1 in forward, and there is nothing in for about halfway on that trigger pull. Like there is no low speed control with this. That's the slowest it will go. Strange. But if you watch the rigid video, you know this is not the first time I have actually noticed that. So if anything, this is very much I would not be surprised if this is, you know, rigid parts. So I guess that's it. There's not much to it. We'll check it out, see how it works out, how it performs, and I'll get back to you with that in another video. So, alright, so before I let that go, I just want to show you this stubby trigger in comparison. A lot more progressive. So here is the 2767, and you can see even this one. Versus this Ryobi trigger. This is, you know, I can almost guarantee these are rigid parts because that's exactly how the rigid performed in the rigid review. So I guess that's no surprise for everyone, but just something I wanted to point out.